Welcome to Autos Vehicles, your trusted destination for the latest motorcycle news, reviews, and future-ready machines. Today, we take a deep and focused look at one of the most anticipated adventure motorcycles of the year, and the Hunda CRF 750L. This model is designed for riders who demand true off-road ability without sacrificing long distance, comfort, and modern technology. Overview of the 2026 Hunda CRF 750L. The Hunda CRF 750L arrives as a powerful middleweight adventure bike that sits perfectly between lightweight dual sports and heavyweight touring machines. Built on Honda's legendary CRF heritage, this motorcycle is engineered for riders who want to explore rugged trails, highways, and remote terrain with equal confidence. For 2026, Honda refines the platform with improved performance, smarter electronics, and a more adventure-focused design, engine, and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Hunda CRF 750L is a parallel twin 750cc engine, tuned for strong low-end torque and smooth mid-range power. This engine setup makes the bike ideal for both technical off-road riding and relaxed highway cruising. Power delivery is predictable and linear, allowing riders to maintain control on loose surfaces while still enjoying spirited acceleration on paved roads. Honda's engineering ensures excellent heat management and fuel efficiency, making the CRF 750L suitable for long journeys. Whether climbing rocky trails or overtaking traffic on highways, the engine delivers consistent and reliable performance across all riding conditions. Transmission and riding dynamics. The 2026 CRF 750L comes equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission, optimized for versatility. Gear ratios are well spaced, offering precise control during off-road sections while maintaining comfortable cruising speeds on long rides. Honda's refined clutch action provides smooth engagement, reducing rider fatigue during extended adventures. Advanced traction control and selectable ride modes help adapt the bike's behavior to different terrains. Riders can confidently switch between road-focused and off-road oriented settings, ensuring maximum grip and stability wherever the journey leads. Chassis, frame, and handling. Honda builds the CRF 750L on a lightweight yet robust steel frame, designed to handle harsh environments without compromising agility. The balanced chassis geometry ensures stability at high speeds and nimble handling on tight trails. Weight distribution is carefully managed, making the bike easier to control even when fully loaded with gear. The riding position is upright and comfortable, offering excellent visibility and control. Wide handlebars, a slim fuel tank design, and well-placed foot pegs create a natural riding posture suitable for long distance, touring, and aggressive off-road riding alike. Suspension and off-road capability. Suspension is one of the strongest highlights of the 2026 Hunda CRF 750L. The bike features long travel, front and rear suspension, tuned for absorbing rough terrain, rocks, and uneven trails. Adjustable suspension settings allow riders to customize the setup based on riding style, terrain, and load. Ground clearance is generous, enabling the bike to tackle obstacles with ease. Whether navigating sand, gravel, mud, or mountain paths, the CRF 750L remains composed and confident, staying true to Honda's off-road racing DNA. Braking system and safety. Honda equips the CRF 750L with a high-performance braking system, including large front disc brakes and a responsive rear brake. Braking power is strong yet progressive, providing excellent control on both tarmac and loose surfaces. Advanced dual-channel ABS is standard, with an off-road mode that allows controlled rear-wheel slip. This feature enhances rider confidence during descents and technical terrain, making the bike safer and more capable in real-world adventure conditions. Technology and electronics. The 2026 CRF 750L integrates modern technology without overwhelming the rider. A full-color TFT display provides clear access to speed, gear position, ride modes, fuel data, and navigation support. The interface is intuitive and easy to read in various lighting conditions. Smartphone connectivity allows riders to manage calls, messages, and navigation directly from the display. Electronic aids such as traction control, ride-by-wire throttle, and engine braking control ensure the bike adapts seamlessly to different environments and riding preferences. Design and styling. Visually, the 2026 Hunda CRF 750L carries an aggressive and purposeful adventure look. Inspired by Honda's rally bikes, the design features sharp body lines, a high front fender, and a distinctive LED headlight setup. The fuel tank design is slim, yet offers ample capacity for long-distance travel. Durable body panels and protective components emphasize the bike's readiness for harsh conditions. Honda's attention to detail ensures the CRF 750L looks just as impressive. Parked outside a cafe as it does, covered in dirt after a trail ride. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort plays a major role in the CRF 750L's design. The seat is well padded and shaped to support long hours of riding without discomfort. Seat height is optimized to provide ground clearance while remaining accessible to a wide range of riders. Wind protection is improved with a redesigned windscreen that reduces fatigue during highway rides. Combined with ergonomic controls and reduced vibration, the CRF 750L offers a comfortable and confident riding experience across all distances. Fuel efficiency and range. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the 2026 Honda CRF 750L. Honda's efficient engine tuning allows riders to cover long distances without frequent refueling. The large fuel tank enhances the bike's touring capabilities, making it ideal for remote adventures where fuel stops are limited. This balance of performance and efficiency ensures the CRF 750L remains practical for daily use while still excelling on extended journeys. Target riders and use case. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L is designed for riders who want a true adventure motorcycle without the bulk of heavyweight touring bikes. It appeals to experienced riders looking for off-road capability as well as adventure. Newcomers seeking a reliable and versatile machine. From daily commuting to cross-country exploration, the CRF 750L adapts effortlessly. Its balanced nature makes it suitable for solo riders, long-distance travelers, and weekend explorers alike. Comparison in the adventure segment. In the competitive middleweight adventure segment, the CRF 750L stands out with its off-road focused engineering and Honda reliability. While many competitors lean toward road touring, Honda keeps the CRF spirit alive by prioritizing dirt performance without sacrificing comfort or technology. This positioning makes the CRF 750L a compelling choice for riders who want authentic adventure capability rather than a purely road-oriented crossover. Final thoughts on the 2026 Honda CRF 750L. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L represents a refined evolution of Honda's adventure philosophy. It blends power, durability, modern technology, and off-road excellence into a single, well-balanced package. With improved performance, advanced safety features, and a rider-focused design, this motorcycle is built to handle whatever the road or trail throws its way. For riders seeking freedom, exploration, and reliability, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L proves to be a strong contender in the adventure motorcycle world. Stay connected with Autos Vehicles for more in-depth reviews, updates, and the latest from the world of motorcycles.